you want to set up Ubuntu and use it on VS Code. Use the terminal on your VS Code. It's very easy. What you need to do is head over to, like, you want to use it on your PC, on your Windows PC. So head over to Microsoft Store and search for Ubuntu. So when you get Ubuntu, make sure you download the 20.04 version. When you're done with your installation, what you need to do is look for the application and launch it. When you launch it, you will see instruction on how to set up your username and your password. Okay, set up your username and set up your password, and here you will have something like this, right? You will have something like this. So after you set up your username and your password, you can actually use this for development. It's okay, it's fine. You can just sudo -i to log in. So it will ask for a password. I have already set up my username and my password, so it will ask for a password. Just enter the password you set up, and you will find yourself in a Linux environment where you can do whatever you want to do. But you want to be using VS Code. You don't want to use this environment to do your coding, because with this you have to do VI and all that. So, but you want to use this environment, like you want to use VS Code. So what you need to do is come here and click on extensions and search for Ubuntu 2004. Just search for Ubuntu. You will see this VS Code terminal for Ubuntu. Install it. I've installed it already. Now it's asking me to uninstall. Once you have installed it, you've done this already. This is the setup. Alright, once you're done with this setup, as you install it, you will see this green bar here. Open a remote window. So this green bar is what you will use to open your terminal. So once you click on this, you have a new WSL window. So you can just click on that and a new window will come out like this. And on the window you will have this terminal. If you are not seeing this terminal, you can just do Ctrl-Alt-U, or you can come to this place, terminal, and click on new terminal, and you're going to see your terminal. You're going to see the bash, and it will link to your Ubuntu, and then you can simply log in here, sudo -i, and it will ask for your password, and I enter my password, and that's it. You are in your development environment. It's faster here, and you can easily access your files and code while you're coding. While you're coding right here, you can simply VS Code. Let's see. Okay. So you can simply do your code here, and you're good. You can also access whatever you're coding right from here. You can do your command line right from here. It makes a lot of sense to me. So if you love this video, please click on like and subscribe to my channel.